Have you ever dreamed of illuminating your room with a simple turn on light text on your phone? Are your room's appliances running while you are away? Or wish to check your room's temperature and humidity effortlessly? Today, we are diving into the world of web based home automation, a simple yet transformative way to make your daily life more convenient. Speaking of hardware, all you require are three key components: a NOR MCU ESP8266 board, a DHT11 sensor, and a 4-channel relay, which I haven't shown here because I had already attached with my room's appliances board. Before we dive into the programming part, let's start by setting up the wiring. As I mentioned earlier, I had already attached the relay, so I disconnected the NOR MCU board and DHT11 sensor here. And don't need to worry. Circuit details are in the description below. Now, let's start programming our Northern Seal ESP8266 board. Now, I have the program you need to upload to your Northern Seal ESP8266 board, and you can find it in the video description below. However, please follow these important steps before you proceed. First, ensure you have installed ESP8266 board. If you don't know how to, a quick online search will provide simple instructions. Second, make sure you've installed the PSP11 library. It's straightforward. Just search for it in the library manager within the Arduino IDE and install it. Lastly, don't forget to enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password in the designated area in the code. Once your code is uploaded, on the serial monitor it will show connecting. When the NOR MCU is connected to the Wi-Fi, it will print the IP. You must copy the IP and paste it into a browser and hit enter. The web application to control the appliances will open. Here you can see everything is connected. The code is uploaded to my NOR MCU and it is connected to the Wi-Fi. Now it's time to test it. Now here, as you can see, everything is working great. When I give a command to turn on or on any appliance, it works. But now listen carefully. You have to give the exact command to turn on or off any appliance as it is written in the code. You can definitely change it in the code and re-upload it into your Node MCU. And also make sure that the device which you are using and your Node MCU is connected to the same Wi-Fi or else it will not work.